Hi guys, welcome back to another troubleshooting video. Today we are going to be working with my SQL still. I tried to perform a brute force attack against my target host, but it doesn't seem to be working. It only scanned about 3 times and it eventually stopped and didn't return anything that was of value. So let me quickly show you the trouble that I'm encountering every time I'm trying to do a brute force attack. So we're going to search my SQL, search my SQL underscore login. Options. Let's set the following options. Set everything that needs to be set, basically. The IP address. It's 168. This. Set stop on success. We want to set it to true. Verbose has been set to true. We need to set the user file. Usernames.txt. We also need to set the pass file to passwords.txt. So that's everything I believe that we need to set. So we need to set the pass file, which contains all the passwords, the usernames, stop on success so that it stops once it finds a matching pair and host. Okay, now that everything is already set up, let's try and run it and see what sort of issue we encounter. So we're going to say exploit. There you go. The error that I'm getting is an invalid packet. Scramble length 0 is not equal to the length 21. So what I want to do with this is, because I already found the version that is working on my remote target or my target host, but I don't seem to be succeeding as far as being able to connect with a brute force attack or perform a brute force attack against my target host. So what I want to do is simply uninstall and reinstall Metasploit, because that seems to be the only solution that is viable right now, because everything that I have tried is not working, and I've tried to look on Google for some solutions, but I only seem to be seeing guys with a similar problem who do not have a solution. So this is the last and final solution that I believe is going to be helpful. So I'm going to uninstall Metasploit and reinstall it, or you can simply try and update Metasploit and see if it's gonna work or not. But for now, let's just uninstall this and hope for the best. So I'll just quickly go exit, go clear this. Now we need to get to the part where we remove our Metasploit, and the first option that we have to go with, or the first command that we have to enter into our Kali Linux machine, is to first locate our Metasploit framework. So what we need to follow is this: we need to locate our Metasploit framework, we need to remove the Metasploit framework, and we need to reinstall the Metasploit. And we are going to use the apt-get install Metasploit framework command to do that. So let's quickly go through the entire process. So first we need to locate Metasploit framework, and in most cases it's going to be in this directory here, but it'll all depend on your Kali Linux machine and where you stored it, when you installed your Kali Linux or when you installed your Metasploit framework. So we are going to go into user share, and let me quickly clear this. So we'll cd our way into the user share, list all. We are going to locate the Metasploit framework and remove it. There it is. You have a Metasploit framework over here, and the options that you need to remove this are rm-rf Metasploit framework, and it's going to remove it. Now let's clear this, but we'll just confirm to see if it has indeed been removed. Let's see. Our Metasploit framework should be after meta info, right? So it's gone. Now we'll just have to reinstall it all over again. So we go apt get install Metasploit framework. So when we try to install our Metasploit framework all over again, it gives us this error. Dpackage was interrupted. You must manually run sudo dpackage --configure -a for all to correct the problem. So that is the command that we are going to run, and we are going to try and reinstall Metasploit all over again. So it's dpkg -configure all. You press this, that's sorted. Now we have to reinstall our Metasploit all over again and see if it's gonna work this time. So Metasploit -framework. Right, so now it's working. Okay, so it's apparently not working. You might want to run apt fix broken install to correct these. So we have some slight issue. We have an error, unmet dependencies. So let's try to go with what they're suggesting. Apt fix broken install. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. Hopefully installed or removed. Go yes. Okay, so now it's going to remove everything that wasn't removed from our removal the last time we tried to do it. So it's going to remove everything that we didn't remove, and it's going to try and reinstall a Metasploit all over again from the start. So I believe that this time it's going to work properly. But you have to remember, you see now that it's unpacking this is called dpackage. It's unpacking all the files that are in the Metasploit framework. So we're gonna wait for this. It's done. No wait. So let's go lsla to see if we indeed have our Metasploit framework in here. So there you have it. We have it. But can we run it? MSF console. Yes, we can. So that is the part where we had to remove our Metasploit framework and reinstall it all over again. Now we'll because we have installed our Metasploit all over again, and I believe that it's updated now. We have a newer version. We are going to go back into our exploiting our MySQL. We're trying to perform a brute force attack on it.